In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed HubSpot calls to action on an external website step by step. If you're running landing pages outside of HubSpot, using WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, or even a custom HTML site, and you still want full HubSpot tracking, analytics, and automatic updates, this is exactly what you need to do. By the end of this tutorial, your CTA will be live, tracking clicks and views, and fully synced with your HubSpot account. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical HubSpot tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we need to access the CTA tool inside HubSpot. Go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the top menu and click on Marketing. From the dropdown, select CTAs. This will take you to your Calls to Action dashboard, where all of your existing CTAs are stored. Here, you can create new ones, manage performance, or select an existing CTA to embed on another site. Next, choose the CTA you want to embed. Scroll through your list or use the search bar to quickly find the one you need. Once you've located the correct CTA, click on it. Then look for the Actions drop-down menu. Click Actions, and from the options provided, select Embed Code. This will open the Embed panel, where HubSpot generates the code required to place that CTA on an external website. Now let's talk about the code you'll see. HubSpot typically provides two code snippets. The first is the HubSpot embed script. This script only needs to be installed once per website. It enables tracking, analytics, and communication between your external site and HubSpot. The second snippet is the individual CTA embed code. This code controls where the specific CTA appears on your page. In some cases, HubSpot may provide a combined embed code that includes both the main script and the CTA code together. If you see that option, you can simply copy the combined version. Otherwise, make sure you copy both pieces of code. Click the Copy button to ensure you grab the full snippet without missing anything. Now it's time to add the code to your external website. If your website uses standard HTML, open the page where you want the CTA to appear. Locate the section of the page where the call to action should be displayed. Then paste the HubSpot CTA embed code directly into the HTML at that location. For example, you might place it inside a div container where you want the button or banner to show up. If you're using a website builder like WordPress, Webflow, or Shopify, you'll typically use a custom HTML block or embed element. Simply drag in a custom code block and paste the HubSpot embed code there. Just make sure the main HubSpot tracking script is installed site-wide if it's not already. Once you've pasted the code in the correct location, go ahead and save or publish your changes on your external website. After publishing, visit the live page to confirm that the CTA appears correctly. As soon as it's live, your CTA becomes fully functional. HubSpot will automatically track clicks and views. All engagement data will sync directly into your HubSpot Analytics dashboard. Even better, if you edit the CTA design or text inside HubSpot later, the changes will automatically update everywhere it's embedded. You won't need to recopy or repaste the code again. And that's it. That's exactly how to embed a HubSpot call to action on an external site while keeping full tracking and automation intact. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.